Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Ferreter again. I wanted to just show you a couple of things that you're going to have to do for Miss Barrow today. She's going to be asking you to annotate and add comments to a document. I'm not totally sure that you're going to know how to do that, so I figured I'd make a quick tutorial. Now, after you've signed into Miss Barrow's Google Classroom, and that's something that you're going to do in class, you're going to select her assignment, which is right here down at the bottom of the page. She's asking you to do some annotation for Seed Folks. Now you can either click directly on the name of the assignment or you can choose Open from over here in the sidebar. I'm going to select Open and it shows me the actual task, what I'm supposed to do. I'm going to click on that task again, and when I do, it's going to bring me to a window that looks a little bit like this. Now, what I really don't like about Google is that when it brings you to this particular window, you're not able to edit. Right now, you're looking at the file in Drive, but you're not actually in Docs where you're able to edit. I think that's a little bit silly, but it is how Google works. So I'm going to hover here at the top of the screen, and it gives me this option right here in the center, which says Open With. I'm going to select Open With, and I'm going to choose Google Docs. And when I do, Google is going to take me to a new window where I have a copy of the file that I can work on all by myself right now. Now, I know that this is my copy of the file because if you look here in the header, it actually has my name. Okay, so this is my copy of the file, and I know that I can work on it here. And now I can begin editing all that I want. Now, what Miss Barrow is going to ask you to do is to do some highlighting. And if you wanted to highlight, you would click and drag over the text that you want to highlight. And then select the font color icon right here. Now, it seems weird, doesn't it? We don't want to change the color of the text, but this happens to be where Google is currently hiding the options to highlight text. So when I select on it, now I've got an option to choose my highlight color, and maybe I'm going to highlight this in yellow. That's a color that's really popular. And you can look down here and see that my text has been highlighted, and I'm going to be able to, do that the rest of the way through. So watch that one more time. Maybe I want to highlight this text. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to select the text color. I'm going to choose the highlight option. And I'm going to pick whatever color I want to use as my highlighting color. Guys, got that? Now, Miss Barrow is also going to ask you to add some comments. Now, let me show you how you do that. When I add a comment, I like to start by highlighting the section that I'd like to add a comment to. And then I like to go up to Insert and choose Comment from right here in the middle of the page. And when I do, it's going to insert a comment in the sidebar where I can go ahead and do my typing. When I'm happy with what I've written, I can select Comment, and I'm ready to go. Okay, do you guys understand how to add comments and how to add highlights? Because those are things that Miss Barrow is going to ask you to do today. If you have any questions about it, be sure to let me know. I'm happy to help.